Welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making inside-out schnitzels. I'm using kitchen tights because they stay juicier than chicken breast, but honestly any meat works here, so use whatever you already have. Lay the meat out on the cutting board so the pieces sit next to each other and not on top of each other. Now grab a meat mallet and gently pound each piece. The texture side of the mallet helps break down the fibers, which makes the meat more tender and helps it stay juicy after frying. Pounding also evens out the thickness so everything cooks at the same speed and you don't end up with dry edges. A flatter surface also means the seasoning and mustard sticks better, giving you more flavor in every bite. No need to smash it, just steady pressure until the meat looks even and uniform. Season the meat with salt. Try to spread it evenly across the whole surface, edge to edge, so every bite is seasoned the same. This is the base flavor, so take a second here and don't rush it. Next comes black pepper. I like using freshly ground pepper here because it adds a little heat and works really well with the mustard later. Just a nice even layer on each piece. Now spread mustard all over the meat. Use a spoon or knife and make sure the entire surface is covered, including the edges. The mustard acts like a flavor base and also helps the coating sticks better later on. It adds a mild tang that balances the richness of the fried schnitzels really well. This is what gives these schnitzels their signature taste, so take your time and don't rush this step. Flip all the schnitzels over so the unseasoned side is facing up. And now we are doing the exact same thing again. Salt first, then black pepper and then mustard. Seasoning both sides is really important because the meat is thin and cooks very quickly. If only one side is seasoned, you will taste the difference right away, especially when it's fried. Take your time here and make sure each piece is fully covered, including the edges. This is also your last chance to adjust the seasoning, so if one piece looks lighter than the others, fix it now. Doing this properly means every schnitzel will taste the same, from the first bite to the last, and this step alone makes a huge difference in the final result. Whisk the eggs and get the breadcrumbs ready. Having everything prepared ahead makes the coating process much easier and cleaner. Take one schnitzel and place it straight into the breadcrumbs. Cover it from both sides and gently press the crumbs into the meat. Make sure the breadcrumbs stick evenly and don't leave any bare spots. This first coating helps protect the meat during frying and keep it juicy inside. When it's fully covered and pressed in, you are ready to move straight into the eggs. Now take that same schnitzel and dip it into the whisked eggs. Make sure it's fully coated on both sides, and when it's come out of the egg, don't set it down. Go straight from the eggs into the hot oil. Heat up enough oil so the schnitzels will be partially submerged. The oil should be hot but not smoking. That way the coating crisps up nicely without burning. Good oil temperature makes a big difference here. Carefully place the schnitzels into the hot oil. Let it fry without moving it at first. This helps the coating set and keeps it from tearing. Once the bottom side turns light golden brown, gently flip it over and fry the other side the same way. You are looking for an even color, not dark spots or burning. If the oil temperature is right, the schnitzels will crisp up nicely while the meat stays juicy inside. Take your time flipping and don't overcrowd the pan. That helps everything fry evenly. Lift the schnitzel and hold it over the pan to let the oil drip off, then place it into a pot with a lid to keep it warm. Serve these with whatever you like: boiled potatoes, mashed potatoes, fries, vegetables, or even simple dip. They are great fresh and they reheat very well the next day without drying out. Once they cool down, store them in the fridge and keep them covered. Ingredients are on screen right now, so you can pause the video or save it for later. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, share it, and follow Simply Food Recipes for more easy homemade comfort food.